There will be the defense framework, which was there for 10 years. It's just two-page a document, but it makes us very close in defense issues. There is a strategic partnership which we want to take forward. There is a nuclear deal which we want to take forward on the liability clause. Talks are going on in London as probably we are speaking.
This deal is very important because after this deal there are some other deals, which we have to make, like nuclear trade, membership in some very exclusive nuclear clubs, which we have. So the deal is blocking, this deal is blocking. Once we have a deal with Americans, then Europe, Japan and all these countries, who are going to supply this nuclear reactor would go through, there will be not much problem dealing with them. So
one area where I believe that Mr. Modi would be able to perhaps get some kind of an accommodation again with President Obama could be on climate change. Both sides will have to harmonize their positions, and I think if India's exceptional status is acknowledged, meaning that if you look at emission levels, India is far below that of both China and the United States. So if a differential approach could be considered, I believe that climate change could be an area where there would be some movement ahead.
All right, everybody set up? Issues of making sure that maritime rules are observed.
Careful.